wanted to do a quick tutorial today using the Kathleen Lights Morphe palette. I don't think this is even available anymore, but I'm pretty sure the majority of the colors that are in here are. And I haven't used this too much, and I really want to jump into the dark green today. So I just really wanted to do a tutorial showing you guys this palette. And I really like Morphe shadows. I think they're really good quality. I know it gets a lot of like hate and love here on YouTube, but I just think they're really good. Some of their brushes, not so much, but the eyeshadows I really like. So let's get on into the tutorial here. So the first thing I'm gonna do is my eyes are already primed, so I'm gonna go ahead and set them with this color right here, which actually is the only like light matte color in this palette, and it's a little bit dark for my skin tone, but that's all right, we make it work. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pop into this like mustardy brown color, and I'm gonna be applying this to the crease and a little bit above. Alright, now that I have that set down, I'm going to pop right into this green shimmery shade. I think I'm going to apply it with a brush. Let's see how that goes. So I'm just going to use like a flat shader brush here and apply that all over the lid. So that is a really beautiful shadow, but it does have some fallout and I look ridiculous right now. So let's go in with my blending brush and blend this out. Okay, so now I'm going to take this brown shade and I'm going to be putting this mainly on the outer corner and into the crease. Alright, now I just cleaned up the fallout a little bit and the outer corners. So now I'm going to work on underneath the eye. First I'm just going to sweep this color right underneath the eye, all the way across the lash line. Now I really want to lighten up the inner corners, so I think I'm going to go ahead and go into the lightest shade that's in here and pack this on the inner corner, just with my finger. And I'm also going to take my little pencil brush and I'm going to bring this color up onto the lid a little bit on the inner corner to lighten up that area so it's not quite so dark. And then I'm just going to go in one more time with that deep green shadow on my finger and just kind of like pat it on. Lost some intensity with all that blending. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply my brows, some mascara, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so that is the brows and mascara on. For brows, I used my trusty BH Cosmetics Studio Brow Pencil. And then for mascara, I've been loving the Tarteist mascara from Tarte. Looks so nice, nice and full lashes. I love that. So, if you are interested in what's on the rest of my face, I will link you to my everyday face base routine. And let's get on to lips and we will finish the look. So because my lips are super, super dry because of the winter time, I'm going to be going in with a MAC Cream Sheen lipstick, and this is the shade Creme de Nude. So it's just a nice nude lipstick. I don't want anything that's going to compete with the eyes. So that is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed these kind of like quick little tutorials where I just do the eye makeup. Let me know down below if you don't like them, or if you do, give it a thumbs up. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.